Secure those who've been injured. Watch out!
All you've done has been for nothing!
It's gone forever?
If you'd only backed down sooner. And now, thanks to your heroics, your friends will die along with you!
Leave them alone!
He seems much more powerful now.
Manchester! Save her! For good this time!
Stubborn fool.
Got you. I won't let you go.
Give her back! She may have activated her quirk in time, but she doesn't know how to turn it off. Isn't that right, Harry?
Okay, Aerie. Hold on. It seems to me your quirk is a blessing, Aerie. I understand her power's effects now. One for all. Full calming! 100%! Aerie, will you please lend me your power?
She is mine!
Aerie's power has gotten even stronger. Just like when I first used One for All and had no idea how to control it. If I can't save Aerie, one small child who's relying on me to help her, how can I call myself a hero who saves everybody? That's who I'm gonna be! Does that mean that the future can be changed? Even if it's already been decided, even if it's set in stone, I'll smash that future!